This is David, and we had a little snow on our solar panels. If you live in the snow belt, you got solar panels, you better have a blower. Well, that's about as good as I can get her. Got her blown off pretty good. I found this out last year that it's really hard to push all the snow off of the top. And after you pass it, you really can't go back and get it. What happens is you thin that out, and the sunlight shining through that begins to melt it, and then it won't move. You can blow off the top, and you got it thinned out. But once that snow gets a little water in it, it doesn't want to slide off anymore. It sticks there. So you can get it down low. But anyway, it's melting already. It's about 10 or 15 degrees out here this morning, and you can see that it's making it drip. Where the sun gets on those black sails, it gathers heat, and they go ahead and melt out. And so those, in an hour or two, those will all be clean. Anyway, this morning I looked at the meter, and it had not quite an inch of snow on it, and the meter was showing it was making about 2,000 watts, and it should have been making 10. So we got it blown off now, and I'll go back and look at the meter. Of course, anytime you got cells that are partially shaded, it pulls the whole thing down. So we'll get back there and look at the meter and see what it says. You won't be making 10 while we got any snow up there at all. So we'll go back and have a look and see how we're doing. Well, I had sunshine when I started. As I walked back from the barn, clouds moved over, and looks like they're going from northwest to southeast. So anyway, we've got partial sunlight and making almost 4,000 watts. It was making like 2,000 before. There we go, 4,000. If this cloud cover breaks up, that'll pop up to 10. We'll get about 4 hours of 10,000. If it clears up, I don't know if it will. Sky's got a lot of clouds. Anyway, beautiful day, pretty cool. Thank you much for watching. Catch y'all later.